First, clean the inside of the seal housing, scrubbing it with a specific oil. Remove the inner pressure plate and brush oil onto its inner side as well. Align the oil seal with the inner pressure seal housing and press it into place. Using a rubber mallet or a wooden block, drive the oil seal evenly and symmetrically into the bottom of the seal housing until it is fully seated. Next, attend to the large oil seal on the inner pressure plate and press it in similarly. Apply grease inside the groove, coating it evenly. Prepare the rubber gasket, ensuring its smaller edge both sides face up is aligned. Then apply grease on the top surface for lubrication purposes. Align with the inner flat surface and apply sealant or grease along the edge to secure and lubricate. After completing the internal lubrication areas, apply oil to the flat surface as well and spread it evenly. There is a very small positioning groove here inside. We need to align these 12 grooves to their correct positions. First, align these two components symmetrically as a whole. Note carefully, there is also a grease nipple lubrication hole here. Align this groove vertically with the positioning groove inside. Align with the screw holes below. This alignment forms the correct assembly. Apply an even layer of grease on the inclined surface. Brush a layer of engine oil onto the rubber gasket. Align with the 6 screw holes at the bottom. Ensure the interior of the inner pressure plate is filled with grease to prevent high resistance and poor lubrication due to oil deficiency. Note, the interior must never lack lubricating oil. Once oil is deficient, the resistance during machine startup will be very high, requiring significant power to start, and the lubrication effect will also deteriorate. Align with the screw holes, use a screwdriver to assist pressing the seal in, then apply a small amount of grease to the screws before screwing them in. If there is resistance during engagement, use a small screwdriver to lever the gap for fine adjustment until the parts are pressed in smoothly and completely, then proceed with the subsequent screw fastening work. Observe the screw holes below. Align the seal housing with the inner plate as a whole. Apply a bit of grease to the screws to facilitate lubrication and rust prevention. Insert them inwards, passing through the corresponding positioning holes. Finally, press in the back rubber ring. The bearing assembly is complete.